Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Me wako journey omo osro no. Na o yasi anka still na adoption enya dia echi. Na say makache sina place on kai say lejokuku no mikita close to 400,000 residents. Me voters omo vote here of close to 150,000. Nipa baako untimi nsua ebusuansa o ma me ne o papa no meboa o ntimi ba na me bomu dia me man hawo omo na omo so me mu kakaka enti once again no me chia wo oh sina prat engem na nko enim bra kwa me so na me de me sina brother kojochumbo afo program bi so and I can say this is the first time no judgment no Niniaji President Niniaji is my words, but this is the first time President Kufuor in his judgment, were acting decisively and impressively. Why you be Niniaji say time or this directive say my call public gatherings are large numbers by and all that. But it's interesting say at the same time Kufuor more or no anibusi more to say me ya by sitting ketia or kase. All this is a hoax, a way to rig the 2020 elections. Me pacho, yenya public health emergency say yema other considerations number form. Na yemfa yenintu kwa me faswa ye be handle problem. That come me shock quite a number of things. Me buana ya elucidation kakra. You be a friend modeling in public health and health economics. Modeling chese ohwe de esi no cases awo number of people are omotimi ba omemu omo free bia yare no one all that no utimi ye projection of numbers are obetimi anya in terms of cases in the next 1 week, in the next 2 weeks, in the next
data.
Maybe yes, that's.
If you don't have the data, how do you know?
I know.
But there are different forms of modeling. Yeah, mathematical modeling. Which is very, very false.
Sinapra.
That's what onka modeling. No, onka modeling.
That's what meaning modeling.
So point that me say, as we speak, modeling here, no modeling figures are perfect. A more idea in terms of how well you should prepare. In terms of you might over prepare based on the figures. It's also possible you under prepare, but at least modeling will go beyond cases I was say to think of the future. And I can say for a fact, in terms of frontline staff, epicenters in Yamano, current PPs we have no. If anchor these 11 cases, any suspected cases, 400 trace cases, no pay and I be delay. Like Obeka said, what you have is enough. But because a curve does not go and stop there, but it will continue before finally it dies out, you always must get more in preparation of the future. It's my pacho obi cardinity say sebi oye doctor ananesa ye shawo kolebua e was say you are in a full regalia wash complete apparel ukita mask need gloves in yama really that is not a sign of adequate preparation. Places are omoba your frontline staff places are mobile in contact with patients in Amano. They need to have adequate PP, personal protective equipment. Now, ebia sebi ushiami a ward. Maybe let's say a ward like surgical recovery ward. Now, me sure more protocol here use more or less is likely said a protocol will stay. But if you find yourself in the emergency unit, last 2 weeks me call Lekma, me work consulting room. I was not having a mask on my face. But my hand washing was as regular as I do most of the time. My alcohol rub, which I always ask and the hospital provides, was by me. We have protocol all the time. Monday I'll go. The only thing I'll add or scale up is the face mask. Because in the hospital environment, risk is higher than in Tema Station. Because hospital, the Hon and Crawfordy, Sebi James, Eba, na yebe handle. Now, epidemic curve, my small graph war, me paper no so on the x-axis, in fact, you are having number of cases on the y-axis and x-axis time. So more or less, say with time, we had 2 cases. They went to 4. I started to be corrected. I think we went to 9, right?
7.
2 to 6. And then ultimately we ended up at 9 and then went to 11.
We went to 7 first and
yes.
then we went to 9.
If with time, draw curve.
I'm hearing that we've gone up again today.
To where? To 11.
Past 11.
No problem. Chairman, I wanna anything I make about the curve, no. Anybody our appreciation of how outbreaks or epidemics show up on the curve, no. Immediately you get about 5-6 cases. The modest and least cases you should expect, you should do minimum about, you multiply each by like 5. Why am I saying by 5? With the best of preparation, the best, me say best are 14 new one. At least once you have a core of about 6 cases, you have to multiply by 5. At least what bomb pound you have at least 30 cases.
We've gone to 16.
And
I agree with you. Dr. Goboy,
yeah.
As we speak, we've gone to 16.
Good. Point in me and say, point in me and say, if you draw a curve, there is no way you have 6 imported cases. In fact, at the point, I think the imported cases were out of the 11 were about 10. I stand to be corrected. If you have 10 imported, I mean, can't imported because those imported cases, with the most, with the best of preparation, you still will have some level of transmission, and it's that's how outbreaks are. Why am I saying so? If me in a case, with my best of care, both at my individual level and the state level, there are some 1 or 2 people. It's difficult for them to escape from my transmission. The first is my wife.
And I mean,
yeah, no. Even your risk is lower than my children. So point I'm saying, and I'm taking the best of care for each person. There are some close contacts because of the level of intimacy and closeness. With the best of care by the state, those ones are unavoidable. If you understand how the curve operates, please, I've studied epidemic curves. So me, as someone who's done public health, when but JJ, you said I told you, say even me, Ghana, if the curve goes and we reach 100, I will not be surprised. Because with the best of public health mechanisms, there are some transmissions you can't avoid them. Especially those who are really intimate with imported cases in Nigeria. Nipa no ordinary driver and I'm 24 hours. Or a case, confirmed case. Really, with the best care of the state, you can't go to the level of taking his driver out. Ubetimaka say isolation. Nipa no must get food to eat. The one who goes to deliver food, even at the door, is at a risk. So that's why I'm saying that once
just to educate all of us, yes. How are the testing protocols administered?
I'll come there.
Would then feed into this data we are talking about.
You see, I'll come there. Adibakuso American, Eman Crawford, and who say, frontline for. It's not that they are doing bad, they are no more than say. If you take a country like, let me give you some small statistics. If you take a country like Switzerland, over 4,202 cases. Don't make the mistake of thinking, say, public health and preventive health system, a week because they have 4,202 cases. You are judged not by the number of cases, but the number of cases you could have had in the absence of the mechanisms you put in place. But I don't know whether I get it. So a place like Switzerland.
And how you prevent mortality.
No, absolutely.
And your containment measures.
Absolutely. Yeah. So a place like Switzerland has 422 cases. If you had moved the cases they had in the beginning, if you had, let's say they had 80 people who had gone to China and Iran and things, if you had put the 80 in Afghanistan, put the 80 in Nigeria, and put the 80 in Ghana, the question is that within these 2-3 months that they had no, sorry.
Especially for Dr. Koboy.
Bravo, and to point at me and say, a number of cases do the number of cases do here, but a do in terms of the surface, and another bonu, and HSA, who preparation are very weak and are very strong. The edition number of cases are yet brew, unya or chrome. Any number of cases are what we are preventing in terms of numbers. I was to say, and Ghana was 16. It's possible, say, if Ghanaian doctors and health workers and laboratory scientists had not been sensitized on COVID, cases now say diagnosed with Kumatina Kranya, it's possible to say they would have been in the population. So to have sensitized your people to be able to pick a case itself is part of the preparation. And one Pikanka, time we started testing the population, you could have had 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 cases. Let me also quickly say the JJ about how many you are testing and all that is true. Your BFN iceberg principle, the tip of the iceberg principle. In public health, your catcher will say population be to say China. They have, let's say, 60,000 confirmed cases of corona. You take it that is the tip of the iceberg. Let it be a pyramid. Top is 60. Draw the diagram, draw it down so that the base becomes big. Public health tells you that the real cases you have in the population could have been 10 times that number. But your number of cases is been determined by the number you have tested. So that principle tells you that work more. Don't deal with only the figures you have, but project that there are more in the population because you've not tested anybody. That's the point I want to make. So, anchor horizontal spread will gonna happen. Horizontal just say anchor in Crawford. You might have who Chroma. Now you will be a 50. Anchor how that tip of the iceberg and say really could have been 300, but because most are coming from outside, it's not safe to do that projection. I don't know what I want to make. So that's what I mean.
But when they come from outside,
they can infect.
You internalize it.
No,
at a certain point, you internalize it. I will go to the stage where we should begin to internalize the numbers.
What is your conclusion on this?
As at 16 now, you do know. She say obviously nipa ni bi wo ho muntu kwan.
Yes.
Muntu kwan.
There be omun ko be. Omun travel history.
The process of internalization.
So now we are dealing with internal.
Yeah, you know, she say internal transmission.
Yes, it's true.
Kumasi Lebanese man is a Yanchesu to crime.
Yes.
New cases are reported they do 16.
Yeah.
I'm so be what about a rebel on crime among baby no travel history.
Yeah,
so at this point it's no longer important.
Yeah, Brother Matthias said. So we are a few cases of person to person Ghana.
Yeah.
The different lateral transmission. Now, Mikawa say who understanding how outbreaks operator infectious disease curve now. By all means, no matter the preparation of the state, once 1 year cases were Ghana, there are some number of cases, no matter your preparation, you cannot avoid. Yes. If me na case now, the best preparation of the state will be difficult to stop someone like my immediate partner from getting. And just me choose me words here. The rate of transmission for my partner is high, but the state preparation is there. Mami nko funeral, Dr. Ko, men ko sorry. Dr. Ko, men pay, isolate yourself. No, and Ube Buama, ye 1,000 cases from Mimi, maybe over 3. But what I say. So, medium is psychic.
So reduction in here.
Absolutely. It means psychic kind of mind say, as for numbers in a caution, who the drug grapher, a bit call a name kakra, but you will be a friend plateau point, a be a draw and copium. Everyone, or preparation in Pai, say, as you prepare, no plateau point should come early. Just say my encounter 1,000 and 2,000. But the minimum say as long as cases about Chroma, the best preparation of any country in the world, including the best, cannot stop some particular number of transmission. You definitely have those transmissions. The role of the spiritual. Sana matron on paper also. Matthew Momoka said we have come to our wits' end. It's not true. The scientific community, Ghana, the world. Who can say systems are being overwhelmed? But we have not come to our wits' end. Yeah, can say there are people who are not sleeping or more lab trying to put together preparations. It can effectively treat the virus. Me can say there are people vaccine. The first human trials are starting. So more be yet deceived. Say the fact that we are praying, it means say the scientific solution has been put to sleep. Now. In medicine, you will be your friend on the role of the mind or the psyche. Mikoye operation, my lady be or Chebi. That's about 3-4 years ago. Brother, I'm catch him straight here. Mommy, Minsan Kano on per surgery. But every indication she say she must go to surgery. Maybe I know see no software catch and say surgery will kill her. So what did I do? Because I knew say the mind plays a role. Me catch and say, "Misumi ya suffer. I'm one of the most powerful." Intimidating the bonfire. The bonfire anywhere. Surgery after prayer, I say, I can go ahead. And I'm going to say, me operation will be successful. Also, Jan no softness or non bram. Within 45 minutes, the surgery was over. I call recovery when I make a change. Say, or show me power to say, or say me very powerful. The solution was science.
And to this acquiring.
But the mind played a role. Yes. In public health again, you'll be a quality of life. Obi or heart disease, but Oceana or a happy go person, or Timiko Chrome, or the family dear grow, the quality of life is high. Another person the depression levels are high because on himself heart how do you call it, problem. That's the role of the mind. And fetch me, I'll cite another example. Just for us to know, say, the role of the mind plays a role. The state of the mind plays a role. I had another patient oba for surgery. No, oye gidi wa table no so. And at the point, now me feel say bibi no, na me catch anesthetic ni say, uncle bisa ni say, what is happening? Mami ni see, oba no, nipa na my operation first ni catch ni say, oba me two gospel, and I two na operation. Enti me yen two no osuro. But the reason is when I'm operating, sometimes I sing. But now come in me. So she came into the surgery, hoping say, these are real. No. You see, that's the role of the mind, though. Risk now, only culture, ni background. So, a spiritual person. Now, who told some tangent, the mind becomes relaxed for what you want to do. It's simple. That's the point I'm making. And like I said, it's because I was feeling hungry after first surgery. I was not sick. Okay, I started to sing. The surgery was successful. The solution was not necessarily the song, but her state of mind had to be appropriate for the surgery. So, as for this prayer and things, with a country that is close to 80% or let's say 70% Christian,
and also going to start statistics.
Well, the FI is 50%.
40%.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, yes. Why do you want to argue that?
Going 80%. That way has a way of helping to assuage people's mind. Now,
so there's the psychology of it.
Absolutely, there's the psychology. Yes, because in fact, Obia can say the only thing that is more dangerous now than the coronavirus is the fear factor.
Yeah.
Because the fear factor, and there is a scientific basis. So they did an experiment on rats. They put rats in a confined place. In Kra. And now, almost stress cause through. After some time, there were a lot of tumors that came in them compared to another one. There are many hormones in your body that can increase. If corona, now you are in a serious bad state of mind.
Stress.
Yes. Now, me, but make can be about the preparation of the state. Anytime you have an outbreak, what the outbreak I say? Outbreak, just say, incidence rate, new cases are it's more than what is known in your population. So all the time, once they use the term an outbreak or an epidemic, it means it is ahead of the state in terms of preparation and what you have. Ahead, just say
abroso.
Exactly. So once they tell you this is an outbreak, don't be surprised. Say you see, Oben say state, and individuals, and hospital, and organization, to try and catch up.
That's just a
yes, that's how an outbreak is.
So we are not in normal times.
Exactly. But there are two kinds of outbreaks. Outbreak or no there, like when we had cholera outbreaks some few months or years ago.
2015.
Exactly.
Maybe, yeah.
Cholera has a prevalence rate. I say, number of people every year, cholera in news. So cases no cut through, it means you are having an outbreak or an epidemic. Quickly, we put in place mechanisms to bring it down. But what is different about corona? They say, cholera, the organism, that's one. Who want the treatment? Who want the preventive measures? And it's a vaccine who want the vaccine like influenza if there's an outbreak. But with corona, your preventive measures, and like I say, everybody regularly wash your hands. It's there. The second one is who need the treatment? There's a treatment anti-epidemic you don't have it. And secondly, immunity soon need population. As for cholera, if it spreads, young cholera because and because of that, it's unlikely say it will hit them hard compared to their own epidemic. So point I'm here to say, states, as far back as 21st January, an alert was issued just less than a week when China officially said we have a corona outbreak. Alert just said the sensitized all health posts say be ready, such a thing can come. It is part of the preparation because if as a state only case definition you cannot even diagnose. So as far back as 21st of January, and then there was another one on 27th, Ghana gave a case definition for corona. 3 things: have a positive travel of having been to places where the case is, have temperature, and then the third one, have respiratory symptoms. This is part of the preparation. But the man only say, young cophobia, person who say be brave or chroma, or musha face mask, or more gloves, and idea, Niamasi chrome sanitizer, I see chrome bus stops in Yama. The optics. To them, the optics is important. Is the
Yes,
I partially agree with them, But the same kind wants to say face mask in a hospital now is a signal or indication of preparation. But a face mask in town is an indication of awareness. Point is, any face mask value really unam parliament environment who cover now face the value is close to zero. But Lekma hospital face mask the value is really high. So optics no optics might be important, but it's not really what you see with your eyes and actual state of readiness. Omu attending to patients na Ghana nyina no Munkai said they have been trained. Without training and them contacts are traced close to 400 people are monitoring them on a daily basis. It takes logistics, it takes money. And me I've done public health for some time. If you are part of the team, you don't behave like you know everything, but you pick information and signals from people. But you have to weigh them. Who weigh now a significant now they intervention. And I'll give an example. President C. If Corona, they've gotten more than 200 cases. You are not allowed here.
Yeah.
But if you are a Ghanaian or with a Ghanaian resident, you are allowed. Is that not so?
Yeah.
I will not be surprised if in the weeks ahead, even that is what is stopped. Point at me, Yani say, based on the point you are on the curve, your decisions might change. Now, Kasano, America, dear. In fact, they've even Omaka say, "Uli American crana, Ufrebina Oba." European Union, they've closed all their borders. If you are coming from any continent, you will not be allowed in unless you are within the European Union. Now, but on drew levels we were careful. Now we could take some drastic decisions. You might cause more harm than good. Now me can't wait because my team confirm me see you. There are 2 cases nipe, and I was saying close to all your borders. Again, I come to health economics. Every decision you take has consequences that are positive and consequences that are negative. Now, and only have 2 cases, no, and I can say no flight should come in now. There are essential Nyama, a bar, and these things are real. In fact, there's little politics in this, to be honest. There are decisions that will take care, and the consequences can be more than the good thing you want in it. There were procedures were country her, among use essential medicines and now chemicals in Nyama, ever on a regular basis.
Yeah.
There will be a only say. Asthma because of strict interventions that took place in Corona. On your taxes here, the likelihood is bedroom hospital in terminal ever form. So when your car because movements have been restricted, no, it is a danger to some people.
Yeah.
So you don't just put in place restriction of movements because you've had, let's say, 1 case of Corona. But I appreciate say these restrictions are necessary because the cases are justify the interventions. Now, in conclusion, in concluding, maybe say make say scaling up preparation, scaling up. Just say we are ordering more PPEs just as it's being done globally because of modern now social distancing now. Yeah, important say in fact, the best cure, the best tool yedi reduce transmission say social distancing. Now, missing a practice can be say or share the AC war Jubilee House no. Distance no 1.5 meter.
1.8.
1.8.
Our standard.
Good. Say you first principles. Uti first principle Nasia, you can measure the risk. So if the first principle is that when I'm standing face to face to you, my risk is high. As I step back, for every step, my risk drops. So if the recommended distance is let's say 8, but because of the essential, now you are not able to meet the 1.8. You do 1 meter. Well, it's below the recommended. I wish you had done 1.8. But the point is that when you even go to 3 meters, it's better than the 1.8. But just what I say.
Sure.
Yeah, so my point is just that Parliament
1 meter is better.
Exactly.
But 1 meter is below the standard.
Absolutely.
And therefore not good.
Absolutely. But
there's no argument over that.
No, you don't get it. Welcome me. Send me. Welcome me. Welcome me. Sinaprat, what's the distance between minimum to say?
Minimum.
Oh, it's more than a 1 meter.
Yes.
You can tell.
Yes.
You can tell.
Now,
you can be accurate. You can tell.
Still, no risk war. me risk is high for corona because although it's more than 1.8 meter, it's sufficiently close to you. Now, assuming what's Nabia, Chama Janatino.
But I don't know
for the glass.
Yeah, glass. Or 10 meters away.
And can then, yes,
that's a question that I say that here.
Yes, son, never try in China. Child was when you be.
But in conclusion, I can say when you paint the whole corona picture, fear drops and there is hope. So I'll spend a minute to paint the whole picture. When I say the whole picture, I mean that if 1,000 people get corona, are positive for corona, it doesn't mean all the 1,000 need hospital beds. In fact, the number of mild conditions out of the 1,000 is about 94%.
84.
94.
I don't even want to go into this.
No, it's important. Please, back me.
No, you can. But
Yes, I will do that. Back me. Because as a public health person, you have a dual role. A dual role of letting people take the condition serious enough, but giving them the other data that lets them know that we are not in a doomsday situation. And that one I'll do it. If 1,000 people get corona, 94% of them are mild cases. Mild means that they can be here speak as I'm speaking. They can be active in their homes, go about. They are 100% functional. That is important. Now, it's also important to mention, say, like I said, when you are tested positive for corona, it's not equivalent to morbidity. Morbidity is that you are sick. There are people who are positive for hepatitis B, but because of their viral load in their manu, they go about their duty. So morbidity means you are sick. Being positive is not equivalent to being morbid. Because my team can say, hey, now you have 120 beds, now you see 60 and you have beds, NASA, no. The number of positive cases does not mean that they are all sick. But all of them can transmit the virus.
Okay.
Yes, everyone who is positive can transmit the virus, but not everyone who is positive is sick and needs bed treatment. Number two, when you are at home, your risk will transfer mind or form. But what is even good news is that you are allowed to build immunity on your own. Obia wanya ya recover from corona. Ya manu corona is our own immune system that fights corona. Just as our immune system fights influenza, just as our immune system fights adenoviruses, all our common cold, obia wanya cold out here midano, a virus ne cause. But one
antibiotics near there.
So I'll explain. In drone I am Neighbor. I explain.
Doctor, why not? Ask him.
In drone Yama Ebia, once a system fighting virus
infections
process no come with temperature cause kakra. And doctor Tima paracetamol. By paracetamol and cocoon virus. Secondly, virus now system fighting no. O system what the soldiers no more gidigidia. It comes with some consequences. Consequences say ebia obe say you feel a little malaise in yama. And until the FN antihistaminic drug, a drug inflammatory response to soldiers no omunya abote kakra. Because you are having some external effects based on the activity. And really, no, a drug and new vitamin C very popular. Yeah. If you have cold, and your cold and your viral antiviral, it's only to sharpen your immune system. Now make it razor sharp so that things are dealt with. Who say I'm gonna be antibiotics? I want your cold. Just say infection was so we call it upper respiratory. And get the grow a C form alcohol chest and bacteria there. I won't say asamaba and not taking advantage. Interfere with bacterial superimposition. Just say obenya bacterial infection, but it came because your system, your chest is not good. You shock a cranium about a whole bacteria diagro. Antibiotic, we say it's antibiotic cover. Is to prevent bacteria be so obedia grow abe how. Now bacteria no or morbidity say obeyare no high chain viral mobility. Chain one share bacteria do be cough word yan treat me through pneumonia. So point I mean say these are things people must know, that your body can take care of the coronavirus. And please, one of the cases I Ghana, I'll give this privilege information. Unim say our fear to say me and on one person or walkie call say number one, my free ebiaba before we put in place this compulsory self-quarantine. My free ebiaba Number 2, me any symptoms be but because me feel common mobile, test me and see. But when he tested and it was positive. Point I only say you can test 1,000 people who will be positive. They can all transmit, but really it doesn't mean that they are morbid. That's what I say. Yeah. Exactly. Now, the last point so I may say, me will hope in the scientific community. And I'm the Nyankopon to say almost all viruses are no more dipano. Within the shortest possible time, we are able to find cure for them. And the reason is simple. Yenda Nyankopon say technology is available now. Virus now, bano, Makase coronavirus. They were first identified in the 60s. But this one was just identified in 2019. And so the good thing is that every virus is here to me, isolate no, and who they ever together from the virus, no, only menupe. It's just a matter of time you are able to develop a vaccine. So corona is real enough to deserve our attention, but not that scary to deserve apprehension.
Real enough to deserve attention, not apprehension. Epacho obisi mi misao say question about 1 minute. Is it not interesting to still Okada riders our town? Sharing helmets.
Yes.
Obiswa bisa say swimming pools.
The answer is very simple. If you want zero risk, life must come to a halt. Every
lockdown?
Yeah, it's not only lockdown.
Not just
when I say life must come to a halt, if in your room, you must operate within be at one place. When you move from your room to the kitchen, once your relatives will go to the kitchen, there is a risk. So, since life cannot come to a halt, you limit risk by following advice like keep a distance, avoid places that are unnecessary. If you want to go and buy something at Mokola, you can do it in a week's time. It is important that maybe defer it to a week. So, the advice is that life cannot come to a halt, but limit risk as much as. And when I say corona does not deserve our apprehension, it is true. If you are apprehensive, it comes. Apprehensive, it means you're jittery. Yes, you don't have to get to that level, but you must give attention to it and respect all the advice. That is absolutely important.
Question okay, baby.
And
so much as against you.
Maybe to
Missing my throat. What's it? And no
to missing the awoken. Yari by more than 10,000.
And it's killing.
And it's still killing.
And the numbers are rising.
It will catch him say 84% no kuwa. Maybe I don't know who said maybe the other 84% no even 90% or 60%. So we should be worried. Yes. We should take measures to prevent it altogether. The percentages don't help us.
We should be worried.
Thank you. Isn't that what he's talking about?
Of course. Master,
giving it attention.
Honestly, Dr. Okoboye, I say you're normal.
Yes.
Yeah, then I'm going to say, me virus Nibia. Me meko 84% na omu nya acute case na say meko 16% no be wunu. How do I know? That is not knowable.
That's why I said pay attention and observe the rules. Brother, pay attention, observe the rules.
As I said,
yes.
As I said,
but that's what I've said.
Percentage is no more.
No, brother, you don't, Senior, you don't make that. Look, brother, my sham Crawford, one catcher me say, Doctor, this is the first time you've one man who say, Seb you unya corona, and yet equal to death. There are many people no, Senior, you don't take some things for granted. There are many Ghanaians we must let them know the mobility rate. If they get corona, functional.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.